If you find your on-off switch for the warmer is not working, don't throw your machine away or your coffee maker away. This is an easy fix, inexpensive, and a very quick fix. So what we have to do first is there are 2 screws right above the lid here. In this corner and in this corner. Take those 2 off. Which pops this lid right off. And then underneath there are 4 more screws, and 1 in each corner. Back here and right here. And this lid pops off. And under here, there is a cap right here that we have to take off. It just has little clips on both sides. Might need a little screwdriver to pop those off. And that just clips off the back. And then there's 2 more clips right here to take this whole housing out. It's just connected here and here. You just have to unclip it. But I need 2 hands for that. So. And you can just slide this up the wires here. And then you have 3 wires connected to the back. Make sure you see which one's in order. Like the 2 top ones are black wires, and this one's kind of got a little T at the end, and that one's a straight, and then the white one's at the bottom. And you pop those off. And then the switch in the back just pushes out the front. Just like that. And then the order from Amazon, which will be, if you need this part, I'll have the link in the description. And it comes in a 2-pack. And it's this one's got a 4-plug. Well, we'll see if it works. Looks identical, but so if you set up to where the 2 farthest plugs are away, and set this one up to where that goes in the same way it came out, just pops back in. Wires back in the same orientation. That's set back in. You put this top back in, and you clip that back into these 2 pieces here. Just like that. And then this piece clips back on with that little notch in the bottom for the wires. And these 2 side pieces clip into those little notches right on the side there. Now you put this big piece back on, which there are little holes right here that you have to line up with the back posts, which are these ones back here. And then you put the 4 screws back in the top. top lid back on. And then these two screws go back in. Plug it back in. And you have a working switch.